In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text highlight color in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to emphasize important text, mark key sections, or make your document easier to review. Whether you're working on notes, reports, assignments, or any other document, highlighting text can help important information stand out instantly. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on your device. Once LibreOffice opens, click on Writer to open a new document or open an existing Writer document that you already want to edit. This is where you'll apply the highlight color to your text. Next, look through your document and select the text that you want to highlight. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words or by using your keyboard if you prefer. Make sure the text is fully selected before moving to the next step, because the highlight color will only apply to the selected section. Now, go to the top toolbar in LibreOffice Writer. You should see the Highlight Color button there. This button is used to apply background highlight to your selected text. If you don't see it immediately, look carefully across the formatting toolbar at the top of the screen. Click the Highlight Color button and a color palette will appear. From here, choose the color you want to use. You may see options like yellow, green, pink, blue, and other shades depending on your version of LibreOffice. Select the color that works best for your document. As soon as you click it, the selected text will be highlighted in that color. That's really all there is to it. Your selected text will now appear highlighted, making it easier to spot and remember. If you want to highlight more text, just repeat the same process. Select the text, click the Highlight Color button, and choose a color from the palette. This is especially helpful if you're organizing study notes, editing a draft, or creating a document where certain lines need to stand out. You can even use different highlight colors for different types of information to keep everything visually organized. And that's how to add text highlight color in LibreOffice Writer. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.